guys, welcome back to another video. I really hope you guys are all doing well. So if you are new to my channel, please welcome. So this video is all about staycation. Yeah, so we are on the way to, so keep watching and yeah, see you. So yeah guys, we got the brochette right here and the potatoes and inside some and the juice and the water. Yeah, so yeah guys, now it's time to eat. Yeah, and I really love liver guys so much. So now we are going to drive to Ruavu, where we are going to stay. Gorillas. We are here at the hospital for the rapid test because we are supposed to get. Guys, I finished, so now we are going to wait for 15 minutes, then we get our result, then we will have to go and check in. Yeah, so let's go down and wait for our result. Yeah, finally I received my result. Oh my god, it's been like 25 minutes ago instead of 15 minutes, so I was like, what? But finally I got it. Yeah, so now it's time to go and enjoy, relax. Yeah. Welcoming drinks. We decided to wait for the room which has lake view. So we are going to wait for 30 minutes, then they will get for us a room which has lake view. Oh my god, I can't wait to check in. Yeah.
Need to go back down.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Wow, thank you.
Okay.
Ah, even the bathtub. Wow. Things you have to check out is the views. Wow.
My fabulous day. Enjoy this day.
Thank you. So yeah guys, we finally checked in after 30 minutes. They gave us 30 minutes in order to prepare this room because we have asked for the room which has a very nice views, yeah, which I will show you later. So now before anything is about room tour. Are you excited? So let me know if you are excited for the room tour. Yes, so now let me give you a room tour. So here is the room tour, guys. So right, the first thing you see when you enter is this wardrobe space, and And yeah, let me open and see. Here you have space, and you have these shoes, and you also have some more space, and you have this safe box for your money and other things. And right here you have this mirror. Yeah, and right here this is the bathroom. So where can I start? From the room? Oh no, let me start from here, the bathroom. So right here we have the bathroom, and here I have sink, and they also give you these water, 2 bottles of water and the glass. And you also have the face towel here, and you have this shampoo, and you have the soap right here, and the mirror right here. Ooh. Yeah, and they also have some more towels and others here. Oh my god, the first thing I like it is that you have these bathtub. I really love it. I can't wait to go in it. Yeah, it's only bathtub, they don't have shower. And right here on this door, oh, it's hidden somehow. Oh wow, here we have the bathrobe. Wow. And this is the toilet space. Yeah, also have this wall art. I love it. I love it so much. Yeah. So when you continue to this side here, our beautiful bed, it looks wow. I love it. And right here you have this table for work. Yeah, and there is some let me put my glasses here. And right here you have this phone, and right here you can just note something. And right here you still have mirror. Guys, this place, they have a lot of mirror. One here, right here, and other one here, and other one in the corner, and in the bathroom still more. Wow. And on this side you have this TV, and on here there is coffee and the tea. You can make your coffee and the tea. And down here, don't know what's here, and I've put my luggage here, and you still have a lot of light. And right here you have this coffee table with this chair, and you also have this lamp. Now we are going to check out the room view. What? Balcony space with 2 chairs. And this is our room key. Do you see where I put it? Whether we remember it. And guys, this is the room view. Oh my god. But lucky that it's about to rain. Can see it's dark. And you have this view of the swimming pool, the garden, and the lake right here, and the beach. Yeah. Guys, it's raining. I hate it. So guys, see you. I'm going to sleep. There guys, now the weather is nice. We are going just to chill at the lake and do some content. This is the weather we have after raining. Yeah, but it looks excellent. Looks wow. I love it. So I'm going to get ready for the pictures. This is my dress, and I'm going to iron it. Yeah guys, I got ready for beach. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this dress from Benita Closet. So let's give shout out to Benita Closet for this beautiful dress. I got it from there. You guys, you have to go and check it out. So right here I have my hat, and I have some bikini. So I got this bag also from. So this is how I'm looking like. I put on sunglasses and hat. Yeah, I really love this hat. It's been like 2 years. very comfortable and really goes with every outfit. So yeah, let's give shout out to the people who got me this hat, even if I don't remember them. Yeah, I bought it randomly, so I don't remember them. Yeah, it was in town, but I really love it. Yeah, so this is how I'm looking like here. Here there is a shortcut which leads you at the pool and the beach. Yeah. Oh my god, the sunset. Oh my god. Yeah. So yeah guys, the sun is way. So guys, today we are not going to do boat riding. We'll do it tomorrow after breakfast. Yeah, so it was nice to chill on the sunset here at the beach. Yeah. Let's go and get ready for dinner. Yeah. Ready for dinner. So this is my outfit, and my outfit is from, and I really appreciate for this beautiful dress, and I really like the color, the fabrics, but don't mind about my bed. It's messy. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to wear on a dinner with these shoes. You guys, if you want a dress like this, you have to check them out. They have it in different color. I think brown, red, I'm not sure, but they have in different colors. Yeah, you have to check out them, then you see. Yeah. Good morning guys, it's beautiful morning. This is day 2, so this is my current view of right now, but I don't think if today is going to be a nice weather, because I can see it's cloudy and windy. Yeah, but hopefully today we have some nice weather so that I can create some content. Yeah, but this place, I'm telling you, is extremely hot inside because I didn't manage to sleep when it was closed, so I decided to open this door so that I can sleep at least, because it's extremely, and I didn't want AC because AC is somehow noise. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, and soon we're going to have breakfast like here, and yeah, so I cannot wait. And yeah, so today is our last day here, so we will check out around 11. Yes, at 11 I'm going to wake up and prepare myself, get ready for breakfast. Yeah. So yeah, guys, ready for breakfast. This is my outfit for breakfast here. Guys, now it's time to check out. Now it's time to say goodbye to our beautiful hotel. It was amazing, but the weather was changing too much. Yeah, so let's say goodbye to our view. Yeah, so thank you so much. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know. So thank you so much. See you. Bye. We are going to check out now. It's already at 11. Yeah, bye.